Hi everyone, welcome back. So here, as you can see, if you just click here or here for the custom animation, you will find we have entrance. Here we have all those animations belong to the entrance category. Same thing, all those animations here under this category or belong to this category, which is emphasize. And here we have exit also, another type or another category, exit, and we have all those animations. And same thing here, we have a motion path, another kind of category, and we have all those animations. Same thing from here, you can go for more entrance, more emphasis, and so on. Same thing from here, you can go to the entrance, emphasis, and exit and motion path, and here we have more entrance, more emphasis, and more motion path. So the first one is the entrance type. Each animation under this category, entrance category or entrance type, this animation make the object not exist. So initially when we start your presentation or when we open or run the display mode like this here, you can see the object picture or anything not exist initially, isn't exist in the slide, so you cannot see anything. But when we click or just make any events, it will suddenly appears like this here. So it is not present initially, but when we click something it will appear. So here we have entrance. This is the type of entrance. Another type is emphasis. Emphasis animation, you can, as you can see, the picture here or the object is already here in the slide, present in the slide. But when we click or when we start our animation, the effect will apply like this. So apply some effect, but the object is already here in the slide. The third type or third category of animation is exit. So in the exit also the object is already in the slide, like this here, like this shape here or this picture here on image. So it's already in the slide, but when we start the effect or start the animation, it will disappear or vanish from the slide. So it will disappear from the slide. This is the different categories. The third type is, or the third category or is the motion path. In the motion path, we use this category or any animation in this category in order to change the position of the object from point to point. So here we have, for example, this image or this car, for example. So I need to change the position of this object from here to here, for example. So we change the position of the car. So here we have, again, we have four types of or four categories of animations. The first one, entrance. All animations under this category make the object not exist initially when we start the presentation, and when we start the animation effect, it will appear entrance, anything in this type, under this type or category. Emphasis is just make the object already here, but just apply some effect on the object. And then exit, make the object disappear from the screen or from the slide. Add motion path, just change the position from point to point. So we can apply that easily on our objects here. So I can go to animations and then animation pane, and I can delete or remove this animation, anything here, just by remove. So now we have all those animations. I can delete the type, or sorry, we have all those objects here. So I can change the animation from here. So here, for example, I need to add the animation, the entrance animation, the first type. So anything from here to the entrance animation, or you can go to here, more entrance effects. So I can select anything. For example, I need this one, entrance animation. As we said, in the entrance animation, initially the object doesn't exist in the slide. After start or make click or start the effect, it will appear. So anything. So I just make it, for example, like this. This, as I said, entrance animation. So here I applied entrance animation. Here, for example, I will apply the emphasis animation. So I just add emphasis animation, and then from here also you can go to this category, emphasis, and you can select anyone from here. For example, I will select spin, for example. There is a name here, of course, just pay attention about that. This appear, this fade, each animation has a name here, has a unique name. And here under under a specific category as well, like entrance and faces and so on. As we said, faces is the object already exists present in the slide. When we click or make this animation, it will just apply the effect in the animation or apply the motion in the object. So here we have entrance and then faces. Here maybe I can add an exit. So I can say here exit. You can change the color as well to the black, for example, and here click on it and then go to animation again, and we need the exit animation. So you can go just to the category exit. So you can select anyone from here, or you can go to more exit to find all exit or type of animations. So for example, the sun, I can make it like this to go out suddenly, or like this, for example, and then just OK. So now, of course, you can change the duration. You can make it on a click or after. I explained that in the previous video. So now here we have entrance, here we have faces, and here exit, and here I can add, for example, apply the motion path. So the motion path, for example, I need to move this car from here to this point. So I can go to animation again and then go to the motion path here. Here we have a motion path, or you can go to more motion path as you want. So I can select any type of motion path, like here right to go from left to right, or here left to right, here just right to left, and here left to right. So I click on it and OK. So now when I start the presentation, as we can see, the entrance, the emphasis, the exit, and the motion path are already here in the slide initially, but entrance is not here, right? Because entrance, when I need to click to start this animation entrance, but emphasis just click here, just will apply the effect, and exit will just go out, make the sun go out, or exit and disappear, and here just move the car from point to point. Of course, if we apply, for example, the motion path, you can edit it by yourself from here. So for example, I have to edit this one from here. So I can add a motion path animation, this category called motion path, and go to more motion path, and then to the right here, go from left to right. So as you can see here, I can change that. So I can make it, so I can edit it by yourself, change the duration, for example, make it faster like this, and I can just play. So here, as you can see, the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and then the fifth. So you can make it something like this. So this is almost everything about the animation, or the types or categories of animations. It's very important. Until now, we just explained the normal animation, everything now about normal and standard animation. As I said here, we just applied all animations from here. In the next video, we will start with the advanced animation, or we can say custom animation, so we can add more than one animation to the one object. I hope you understand that, and thank you very much.